In this video, I'm going to provide you with a few different floor plan layout examples for a set of winder stairs, straight stairs, some circular stairs, and some stairs with landings to give you an idea how much room it will require to install a winder stairway. Will you save a few inches here and there with using a winder stairway versus a few other stairways? So let's go ahead and get started and compare it to a straight run set of stairs. Each one of these stairs will have 10 steps, and for the most part, the straight stairs will have 11-inch treads. And I'm going to try and keep them all 3 foot wide. So here we have a 3 foot wide set of stairs, and it is going to be 10 foot 1 inch long in between here. 3 steps on the winder, 7 on the straight run. But the winder is going to take up 3 foot 8 inches in bolt direct. That's what the landing's going to be. And this is where the problem comes in with some of the stair designs. A lot of people think, hey, if I put a square landing in on a 3 foot set of stairs, I'm going to have 3 foot by 3 foot. I might save 8 inches, but you might lose it in the treads. So here's a 3 foot wide set of straight run stairs with 10 steps. 9 foot 2 inches. You're saving at least 13 inches in length and 8 inches in width versus this particular design here. Only difference between this one is you'd be able to enter this one at this angle. So if this stairway had to turn for some reason, then this one's going to work better because this one's going to take up another, it'll have a landing at the bottom of it in order to make a turn. Here's the same stairway, just change the direction, but you can see it's going to take up the same amount of space. Again, I wanted to give you an example. If you were going to come up in this direction, just the same as in this one. This one here, you're going to go up, enter in this one, and you are going to exit straight. This one here, you would enter straight, but exit to the right. So if you needed to make something like this, if you needed to have this particular stairway go off to the right, then you're going to need a landing. And if that's the case, it's going to be a little longer. So again, 3 foot wide set of stairs, 9 treads here. I'm using the landing as a tread. And if I wasn't going to use the landing as a tread, it would be 11 inches longer. So here we have a 3 foot wide stair, but it's a little longer, at least a foot. This isn't a couple of inches here. So this one you're going to go up, and then you would enter the second floor to the right in the same way you would do with this one here. Let's go ahead and take the same stairway, again 11-inch treads, and I'm going to put 4 winders in here. And to make these work out to be winders instead of curved stairs, you would just need to have the line go up here straight. So this would be a straight line, and these would just extend out a little longer. But I just kind of wanted to throw out an idea of what the advantage or disadvantage would be of using a curved set of stairs. And if that's the case here, we will be a little wider. So now instead of 3 foot 8, we're at 4 foot 6. So if I was going to add another step to this, it's going to push this set of stairs further away from the wall and make it a little wider. So here we have almost the same length. We just have a longer width. And again, 10 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In our last example, I wanted to have a double winder stairway to give you an idea how much room you could save, and a stairway with a straight run with a landing at the top and a landing at the top, landing at the bottom. This allows us to enter in this direction, go up the stairway, and then exit onto the second or upper floor in basically the same direction. So this one here, we enter here, go up here, and then exit onto the second floor in this direction here. So here we can see that we have 11 foot, and again, this, if we just had to come down, you can go back and look at the other examples. I believe it was 10 foot 1. So these actually take up a little more space, the winders. You know, a lot of people just think it's going to be the same width of the stairs and the same length, and that just isn't the case. To meet local building codes, you might need to make these a little larger. So instead of 3'8", it might need to be 4 foot to make your building codes work. So again, these are just examples. They're not set in stone on what you can and cannot do. So here we can see we still got the same width, and 11 foot for this versus 13 foot 4 inches. That's a 2 foot 4 inch saving, and that could be, this could make it well worth your while to build this set of stairs as opposed to this one, if you're in the same situation here. So the steps, you'd step up here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So again, I'm using the landing as a step. So you would step up onto the second floor with this particular set of stairways. If I wanted to have the landing even with the top of the second floor, I would need to add another step to this one here. So anyway, I hope this helps. It's been a problem that I've dealt with recently. Had a couple of questions asked, and really some of these your questions helped me come up with some great video ideas. And so keep sending them, keep commenting, and let me know what you like or don't like about the videos, and I will keep pumping them out. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the old thumbs up button.